All right.
It depends on the essence of the meeting. If it is meeting for question and answer, the people that might be sleeping might be the one that have the question. So, but if it's something he's teaching, he could always
I can
teach.
always record.
It should be recorded. They will come and reward.
Because every night is a sacrifice and time
Exactly.
is going.
Yeah.
So we must make the
Okay.
best of every day.
I don't know if Precious is here. Precious, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm here. Good evening.
All right, good evening.
I can hear you.
I will start with you. You told me that you don't understand fully well based on the YouTube video, right? So I will share my screen now. Can you see my screen? You can see my screen, right? Can you all see my screen? I'm sharing my screen now. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
No, I can't see it.
You're not seeing the screen at all.
It's still sharing. It's still sharing.
It's still loading.
It's still. Yeah,
Okay, you can see it now.
Yes.
What are you seeing? MT4 platform, right?
Yes, MT4 platform.
All right, good. Now, based on the candlestick pattern we talked about, the first thing you want to understand is this. You want to take a trade based on the trend. Now, I will try to use this Great Britain C-shape trade I took for an example. I will try to use Great Britain C-shape trade I took for example. Now, we already did this one the first time. This place I liked it. We already talked about it in the class through voice note on Telegram and answers, question and answers on Telegram. So what I will try to do right now is I will try to analyze my second entry. Are we there? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Go ahead.
Good. I will try to analyze my second entry. My second entry. Now, I took my second entry from this spot. Where is it? I bought 0.02 lot. Yeah, from here. Around this area. Now, using the candlestick pattern we talked about, let us go to the 1 hour and see what happened around that region. Now, I already understand that this is a trending market. The market is trending higher, first of all. Then lastly, I understand also that the retracement is based on 4 hours and not daily. That means it is not being controlled by the daily time frame. The main time frame is not the daily time frame. The main time frame is the 4 hours. So what did I do? Judging from this candle now, if you look at the chart from this place, from this particular low, this particular support region, yeah, to this top, I will trace my crosshair rather, count the number of bars. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 bars, right? 7 bars that push price up, right? Can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, 7 bars, bullish bar up. How many pips? That is 62 pips. Now let us go down to the bearish side and let's see how many pips and how many candle did it take to get to this exact low. This exact low region.
And what I'm seeing is 5 bullish bar.
What you are seeing is
5 bullish bars.
yeah, you are counting only the bullish bar. I counted both the bullish bar and the bearish bar. That's why I said 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Taking in.
Oh.
You understand? So we have 5 bullish bar here and 2 bearish bar. So for that particular bull run, we have 7 bars, right? Do you understand now?
Yes.
Good. Now, let us now calculate how many bars it takes this particular trade from this particular high now to get to this place. How many bars? Let's count it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Can you see?
Yes.
We have 17 bars here compared to 7 bars. So if you look at it, judging from the timing, the number of bars, you understand that if it takes 7 bars for bull to make 62 pips compared to 17 bars of bears that make what? 62 pips. You understand that what? The bullish are still what? They are still intact. The bullish trend is still intact. The buyers are still very much in that particular trade. And that was why you realize that the sellers could not take price. They couldn't drop price more than 62 pips within 7 bars. Now, assuming the sellers happen to be in control here, we are supposed to have, just now, if you look at this place now, we are supposed to have something like this here. What we are seeing here, we are supposed to have it. Are you getting it? From this zone, we have 1, 2, 3. 3 bearish bar is enough to cover 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is enough to cover the bullish movement of 6 bullish candles. Are you hearing me?
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Yes, good. Now, if you look at this particular place where I put my box, we have 3 bearish candles. It covers the range of what? Over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The range of 5 bullish candles. Can you see?
Yes.
We have 5 bullish candles here. I just added letter 5 to this. Let me change the color so you'll be able to see it clearly. We have 5 bullish candles here compared to how many bearish candles that make this fall? Just 3. Are you seeing? So we are expecting something like this to happen here. We are expecting something like this particular thing to happen here for the momentum to change, for them to change momentum from the buyers to the sellers. But instead, what we have is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 bullish bars, 7 bullish run. 7 bars of bullish run compared to what? 17 bars. Compared to 17 bars. Now, let me now take you again on this particular place. Some of you saw in my YouTube videos, I was making some labelings, right? Like A, B, C, right?
Yes.
Good. And I said something. Every retracement will always come in A, B, C. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Every retracement will come in A, B, C. A format, a first drop. This first drop, you don't want to trade it. It is this first drop that will give you the confirmation that the market wants to fall deeper. The B drop, the B wave is the wave that tells you that what? Okay, I want to pull back so that I can fall deeper in continuation of the retracement. Then the C wave is the last wave of the retracement. Then the bearish trend will continue, or the bullish, or the trend will continue rather. Are you getting it?
No, sir. No, sir. Repeat, sir. Come again, sir.
Come again.
Good. I said something. I said the A in retracement, it will always come in ABC. ABC pattern. That is how it will always come. It will always come in ABC pattern. And when it comes, wave A is always the confirmation of the retracement. Wave A is the confirmation of the retracement. That is what wave A is. And that is what happened here. It confirmed that what? Price want to drop to what? 4-hour time frame. Now, if I go to the 15 minutes time frame, so that we'll be able to see that thing clearly. You will see what we are seeing. This is the 15 minutes time frame. And you can see very clearly. We have the first wave down. Are you seeing the trend line I just put now? If you can see my trend line, say yes.
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 Good. Now, if you look at the trend line, A, B, and C, it is very clear in the 15 minutes time frame. So that is what I'm trying to say. The retracement will always come in A, B, C. And what is A? Wave A is the confirmation of the retracement. That means it is wave A that will confirm the trend, telling you that, okay, it is now ready. I want to retrace. That is what wave A will do. Now, wave B. What wave B will simply do is this. Wave B is the pullback. Wave B is the pullback of wave A. It is the pullback. Wave B will always be the pullback of wave A. And after the wave A, we will now have the what? The wave C. And the wave C is the what? Is the retracement trade. It is the retracement trade that is a trend. Wave C, listen, wave C is the retracement trade that is a trend, in the sense that it is wave C that will fall like a trend. It will move very fast like a trend. Wave C. So if you want to trade the retracement, you want to ensure that your entry is coming from wave C. If you can catch the top from wave A, congratulations. If you can catch the top from wave A, like I said, congratulations. But you want to ensure that you cut the top from wave B down to C. You want to trade it from wave B to C. That is what you want to do. Wave C is always the what? Is always the trend of the retracement. Let me use that word. Wave C is the trend of the retracement. So you want to be doing what? You want to be trading on what? The wave C of every trend retracement. But that is not what we are looking at. What are we looking at? We are trying to look at what? The body momentum. That's what now I have explained the numbers, the letters rather, you are seeing on my YouTube channel. That is just it. It is Elliott wave, yeah. But this is a simplified version, the simplified format. Every trade retracement will always come in ABC. This is what you want to understand. Don't make things complex. Keep it simple. Every wave will come in ABC. If you go down to your chart and see this, you will keep on seeing A, B, C. The wave C is always the trend of the retracement. The wave B is the pullback of wave A. And the wave A is the confirmation of the retracement. Now, having said that, looking at this particular trade, we've already talked about how 7 bullish bars against 17 bearish bars, and it could not get to the 62 pips that the 7 bullish bar gave us. And that was how we have a what? A change in momentum. And that was why I took my entry from this spot, making use of 0.02 lot size. I made use of 0.02 lot size, and I took my entry, and price went higher. Because of what? I was like, is this trade not going to go against me? But when I look at the momentum, the change in momentum, 7 against 17, I said, no, there is still buyers in this market. That means there's every tendency that price will go up. Now, what you want to understand, if you are trying to check momentum, you want to check the recent peak and valley. That means this particular place. You want to check the recent peak and valley.